If you didn't know, I paint on pizza boxes, so the kids I was teaching this week actually wanted to paint a picture of pizza. Unfortunately, it wasn't a real pizza, but they still had fun, so I'm going to show you how to paint it. Taking some dark yellow and white, I want you to take a size 8 round brush and make a big circle in the center of your canvas. And then fill it in with the yellow and white. That's your cheese. Ooh, look how cheesy that looks. Fill in your entire pizza pie, and then while it's still wet, we're going to grab some sauce. That's just some dark red paint, and the same brush on the outside edge, but on the yellow, I'm going to add a sauce line and then blend that in towards the center. I want my center to be brighter yellow and darker red towards the outside of the circle, so blend it in however you like, and then dry it really, really good. We have to have some crust, so taking a size 8 round brush again, but I cleaned it this time. I'm going to take some tan and some light brown and add a thicker line around the outside of my pie. That represents my crust. And the kids that did this class this week had so much fun personalizing their paintings. They had all different colored backgrounds, but I'm going to do black because personally I think that really makes it stand out. There's high contrast there. There we go. Now I'm going to add extra sauce on the outside of mine because, fun fact, I'm actually allergic to cheese. I have never had a cheese pizza, so I always ask for extra sauce. And with my extra sauce paint, I'm going to use a medium round pouncer and press down and twist some pepperoni all over my pie. I'm trying to space them out evenly enough so I can add other toppings. And what I want you to do is take a smaller round brush and then think about the kind of toppings you would put on your pizza. Now, I'm an artist, so I wouldn't really necessarily eat peppers, but I'm going to add some green little squiggly lines for peppers, and then I'm also going to take some orange for squiggly lines, mainly because I like color. I don't know what the orange would represent. Pineapple? Carrots? Maybe cheese. And why not a couple black polka dots for black olives? I think that's a good mix. And really fill up your pizza too. The more toppings you have, the more it's really gonna look like a real pizza. There we go. Now to really make the pepperoni stand out, I'm going to take a detail brush and with a little bit of white, I'm going to do some little curved lines around the outside edges of each of my pepperoni. Look and see how that makes them pop. I'm also going to add a couple little dots inside the olives to make them look like they're shining as well. And then with some black paint, same detail brush, I'm going to make a black outline between the crust and where the cheese and sauce starts. Looks like it's ready to cut. Just kidding, that doesn't really work. Instead, take a ruler and a pencil, and we're gonna do a straight line down the middle, and then horizontally, straight across like a plus sign, I'm going to do another line. There you go. And then on top of that plus sign, I'm going to make a big X. So one line going diagonal and the other one going the other way. Notice how all the lines meet in the middle of the pie. That's how you cut a pizza in real life, so it would make sense that we would paint it that way. And then I'm just going to take some of that black paint and go all the way through each of those lines. You don't have to do the lines if you feel confident, but I really would. And now you have a freshly baked painted pizza. I'm actually really hungry now, but have fun with it. Add your own toppings. I'd love to see how your pizzas turned out. And if you like this tutorial, follow me for more.